I'm here with Paul and Martyn at their marker study CAF, I think it is, gentlemen.
Indeed, cafe.
Martyn, what's your highlight of Biba this year?
I think probably and selfishly arriving at our stand this morning without really realising it was a stand, as we had no sign of marker study anywhere near it, and people coming up and offering to buy bacon rolls and coffee from us because they actually did think we were a CAF. So then the guys went out, got some marker pens and scrawled all over it. So it was very much impromptu design. So it seems to have worked.
Absolutely, Martyn. It's obviously not the only innovative thing you guys are doing. Paul, why pet insurance?
We've been dealing with pet insurance for a number of years. We set up as a claims handler initially, and we just decided there's a massive opportunity in the market for the group to move forward in pet insurance.
And why the idea behind the Aggregator?
What we found from years of sort of feedback from customers, mainly dealing on the claim side, was that we had a number of customers who were telling us that they weren't entirely sure with what they were buying, they weren't necessarily happy with products, and because we represent a lot of high-profile brands as well as our own brands, we decided that the best way to deal with this was to actually create our own aggregator that would specialise in pet insurance. So rather than being an aggregator that just did pet insurance, we wanted to have it specific to pet, so that everything we did on that site was driven at giving the customer a clearer and more concise product range, and so they really did understand what they bought. And the benefit to us at that is if the customer totally understands what they buy, they're happy with the product, when we come to deal with the claims, then there's a much clearer understanding throughout the whole journey.
Great, thanks so much. And Martyn, just finally, any scope to widen the product range?
Not at the moment, Martyn. I think the acceptance is that certainly in motor and household, there are lots of people already doing it very well in the market, and our view was that the gap was in the pet area, and so that's really what we're focusing on now. But never say never. It is marker study.
Martyn, Paul, thank you very much. Have a great conference.
Thank you. Thanks very much.